Hi there, welcome to the ingredient channel. Today we are making pork chop noodle soup. If you are new to my channel, this is where every week I share recipes which I created from the ingredients I find around where I live in the United States, or sometimes just with what I have in my kitchen. My goal is to recreate authentic tastes using natural and organic ingredients. The pork chop noodle soup is a recipe of another popular style of Chinese food, the Shanghai or Hu cuisine, which emphasizes the quality of ingredients and their original flavor. The bowl of warm, delicious soup is paired with perfectly braised pork chop, mushroom, noodles, and grains. Mouth-watering. First, let's prepare for the pork chop. I prefer bone-in chops. Cut the edge so it is not curled after cooked. Then I'm going to use the back of the knife to soften the fibers and tenderize the pork. Certainly, the meat tenderizer works better. Since I don't have one, I turn to my panacea, the cleaver knife. To season the pork, add salt, cooking wine, grind some black pepper, then the secret ingredient, baking soda. Just a pinch will tenderize the meat. Add some oyster sauce. Set aside for an hour or two. An hour later, wrap the pork chop with a thin layer of starch. Let it sit for 5 minutes. Now we're going to slice the shiitake mushrooms. In a heated pan, add cooking oil, medium heat. Sear the pork chops until both sides turn light brown. Add garlic and ginger root slices, cooking wine, dark soy sauce, light soy sauce, a few rock candies, add enough water to completely soak the pork chops. Add salt as needed. Switch to a clay pot, bring to a boil. Add the shiitake mushrooms. Lay down and simmer for 20 minutes. Take out about 2/3 of the soup. Set aside to use as the noodle soup base. Bring the heat to high and boil for another 20 minutes. Open the lid to condense the liquid ingredients. Turn off the heat. Let's make the noodles. Throw the dried noodles in boiling water, bring to a boil, and simmer for 5 minutes or until the noodle is soft enough to be broken easily. Soak the noodles in icy cold water before taking them out. Time to assemble. Put some boiled greens. I'm using broccoli. Then the pork chop. The mushrooms. Pour the delicious soup we saved early on. On top of the pork chop. There you go. The pork chop is very tender and full of flavor, plus juicy mushrooms, the well-boiled noodle and veggie. Perfect combo. Bon appetit. Well, good to have you. Hope you enjoyed this episode. Please check out the other videos in my channel. Comment, like, and subscribe, which will help this little channel to grow. Thanks.